Hey, tough cat, mighty like a lioness, tough as nails, brave like the sun.
Tough cat walking on the street, tough cat skipping to the big fat beat.
Sometimes you think you're meek and weak. Sometimes you think you're meek and weak. Tough cat walking on the cloud, tough cat acting oh so proud. Sometimes you think you're not as strong. Sometimes you think you're not as strong. Oh mighty lioness, swishing your tail this way and that,
Strong like a redwood oak tree.
you are amazing, can't you see? Tough cat, you know you really are a lioness. Tough cat, you can get through this weakness. You are tougher than you think you are. You are stronger than you think you are. You are braver than you think you are. Than you think you are. Than you think you are. Than you think you are.
Excuse me.
What? Excuse me?
What?
Do you know the way to the cat kingdom?
This way.
Go that way. Go that way. I think it's that way. Tough cat, you know you really are a lioness. Tough cat, you can get through this weakness. You are tougher than you think you are. You are stronger than you think you are. You are braver than you think you are. 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 Who's that?
It's Tough Cat.
Who's that?
It's Tough Cat.
We can all be tough cats. You can be a tough cat. I can be a tough cat. She can be a tough cat. They can be a tough cat. He can be a tough cat. We are all tough cats. Let's all